Hey guys, let's begin onboarding as a host by clicking on Become a Partner. You can keep your organization name or your own name as a username. Rest fill in all details in the form like I am doing. Password must be at least weak to be accepted. You can create strong password using combination of uppercase, lowercase alphabets, numbers and symbols. Carefully read and accept Trippeaze policies to proceed. You can click on How It Works button to know how volunteering program works. Click on Explore Opportunities to see opportunities posted by other hosts and how you can post better. Choose from what date volunteers can join you and what's the minimum and maximum duration of volunteering. Mark urgent if volunteers are required immediately. Uncheck admin approval if you wish to see all applications. Check it if you want us to filter out irrelevant applications for free to avoid spam. Type one skill at a time and press Enter or Add button. Avoid writing all skills, comma separated in one line. You can choose from suggestions by using keyword arrow keys or mouse. Same goes for facilities and responsibilities. Save draft incomplete opportunity if you wish to complete it later. You can edit draft opportunity from dashboard. Newly created or edited opportunity will go to pending state, initially waiting for admin to approve it. You may receive feedback on your opportunity by us to improve it if it's not correct. Once approved, status changes to open and it will be visible to all. In dashboard, you can track number of applicants, how many of them selected, and other stats. Preview your opportunity at any stage by clicking on it on dashboard. Let's go to Applications Dashboard. You can hide opportunity from public by archiving it or close it once you got sufficient volunteers. For others viewing your profile, there will be Message button in place of Edit Profile button. You can provide valid GST number and PAN card to get verified tag on your profile once details are validated on our end.